So Rhythm Hell is what it's called. He said it's up here on the website.
Which one though? Like for which site is what I'm...
Oh, there's different sites?
Yeah.
Oh, well, shit. I didn't know. I didn't know there were different sites. I thought it was one the same old thing. Rhythm is a passion. What's up, Jimmy? He beat the game.
Rhythm Hell.
Jimmy's like, I'm out, son.
That's just...
Definitely gonna go home and I'm gonna definitely play basketball.
No, you're not.
Definitely.
Who are you lying to?
You.
Do you want me to go? Well, you want Zach to go ask him what site it's on?
Yeah, I don't see it.
Just let me just bang on the glass. Come here.
Show us your game.
Where's your game at?
Get over here.
Get him! Get him! Get him! Get him! No, get him! Get him! Get him! Yes!
You know his
I didn't have to
name?
get up. No.
Use your power of manipulation.
Yes, Palpatine. Darth Plagueis.
Hi! So where's your game at?
Or better yet, like which site were you at? When this was last year's?
Yeah, last year I was in Irvine.
Irvine. Oh, that would explain why we don't see it. 'Cause
Yeah, if you
pull
search General Games, it should, where you can find my name. And
So what I did was I had pulled up all of them from North Carolina. So that's why I'm not
Okay.
seeing. Yeah.
yeah, it won't be there.
Let's open up a new tab. We're going to look at Irvine.
Is that California?
Yep.
Ah, look at me knowing stuff. I'm sorry, what's your name?
I'm John.
John. Hi, John. Love the sweater.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks,
Dr. Who fan?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, I is. Don't judge me.
David Doctor.
Gotta be Tom Baker.
Ah.
What about you?
I'm partial to the 11th Doctor.
Oh, this is.
movies,
Oh,
huh?
they're showing me 2008 now.
Yeah, we.
2018.
That's where we started. We started with.
Then we're going back.
Yeah, Eccleston.
There we
Or
go.
How you say it? Christopher Weston.
Rhythm Hell. There it is.
When they restarted in 2007.
Yeah, when they rebooted it.
And then
That was a
we,
good reboot.
And then we went back and started watching all the originals.
Like from the first one.
Yeah, from
first
2000 or
Yeah.
from 1960.
Yeah, those are hard to find.
2063 or 2007.
So way back there, that was before me.
Yeah,
Cut
so
out
That
the-
old,
Baker was what, the fourth country?
yeah, it was fourth. He was about the 80s, and he had like 11-year run or something.
I've been cut out.
Like,
Some
why
lady.
are we leaning?
You did
Got that gangster. My favorite companion, non-companion is. Yeah.
Want me to guess? K9?
Oh, that one's.
No, not K9. It's with the Amy Rose.
But she's not a real companion. Well, she's kind of a companion, but not really.
Who's your favorite fan?
Spoilers.
Ah, yeah, River.
Yes, River. The curly hair. It's the curly hair.
And her whole reverse timeline thing over
Yeah. I actually just watched the River Song Marathon, just saw her clips and how it comes into her
Valley
order.
Street. That's cool. Is that on like a YouTube or something?
No, I looked it up to see what episodes, so I can
Okay.
piece them together myself, and I,
Oh, nice.
yeah.
That's a vacation right there.
Yeah, we've watched all the series. I got them all.
Yeah.
Okay, Rhythm House. So do you want to tell us a little? Do you want to sit in the hot seat and tell us a little bit about Rhythm House?
Well,
sit in
we're
this.
gonna have him sit here.
Yeah.
Be on camera. Jimmy, if you could help us with that camera though. That somehow ended up out frame.
Yo, we're gonna put you on your handsome
Turn it back
mug.
a little bit this
We'll
way.
want the viewers.
All right, so yeah, who do we have here?
It's John.
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 So this is your game when you were at UC Irvine.
Yes.
Okay.
I've been traveling a lot for these things. So I did New Jersey,
Oh.
California, North Carolina. Maybe I'll stay here this time.
So where are you actually from?
I'm from Delaware.
Okay.
And then I used to drive over the road if I was kind of on like a second floor. Places I liked, lived there for a year or two.
Nice.
So tell us a little bit about Rhythm House.
So if I remember correctly, the theme was waves.
Mm-hmm.
And we decided to go with sound waves. One of the obvious two. And we wanted to make a DDR like rhythm game. And
I'm liking this already.
what happened was it was a great time. I had a great team, and it was probably one of my favorite jams. But our composer, like all the beats you're gonna see coming at you, he had to listen to that by ear, and he wrote
Oh,
the
wow.
song. Like he picked the song he liked and copied it, but he took note from note, we dissected it, and made it so that the waves come down on time.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So I guess I'm gonna have to put on these headphones.
You are gonna need the headphones. Sound I would recommend. And I did the sprite work. We had 2 other guys programming. It wasn't easy.
Okay.
It's a pretty basic game. It's only 1 level, but sometimes it'll get you. You gotta get used to the timing.
Okay.
Alright, so let's see. Pull touch back up. Touch up. Oh, thank you, Johnny Fish Sticks, for that host. Alright, so I guess I'll let you keep talking. I'm probably not
Alright,
gonna be able to
cool.
hear anything.
All right. So you said you've done different game jams
He did
before?
keys.
Okay. So far, what do you like about game jam?
I just love coming to get to meet a whole bunch of new people and see how their talents work together. Like I've been in a team with 5 artists and 2 programmers.
Oh wow.
I've been in a team with me as the only artist and 5 programmers.
Oh god.
So I see the difference of what you can do, what you can't do with the skill set you have.
Now, can you tell us a little bit about the game that you're working on now, or do you want to keep that hush hush? Okay. That's why we give the people the option. Do you want to keep it hush hush, or do you want? That's totally
It's a very
understandable.
iterative process.
Okay. How are you liking working with this team so far?
I like working with this team. We had some, like 7 people all that room just got the idea spitballing. Those 3 we clicked with,
Okay.
broke off, had 2 people join and skip.
Gotcha. Okay. So good. You guys are working good. I was hoping to say something about Shadow Friends.
Yes.
I told him I thought it was a stupid thing when I saw him do it, but then when I realized when I heard it, it was like, genius. He is. So I'm glad you said good things about my Cheeto
He
friend.
got it first try. He's got the rhythm. He feels the beat.
And now he's all gassed up about it. What you done did?
First time.
So we can do a little better. Now that I know what's happening.
And I believe it's spacebar when you're far on the right hand side.
Oh, okay. Spacebar.
Now I'm gonna test you here and can you identify the bosses?
Can you hear
It's a
him?
little small to see, but can you?
I don't think he can hear us.
What do we know?
No.
You don't recognize the helmets.
Forgot about spacebar.
Going here.
No. Zelda? Is it from Zelda?
No, it's real life tech test.
Oh, are you talking, Whip It Real Good?
No.
Oh. Devo, I'm thinking Devo. I'm like, oh my god, is this from Devo?
No, some would say the theme of the game jam is always deep technological.
Oh. Do you know who these people are?
Maybe one more time.
Huh?
Do you know who the boss is?
Oh,
You don't know who the boss is?
Daft Punk.
Yep.
I just said.
Oh.
Look at our pyramid.
Oh, really? I didn't. I was
The
super.
song was from, I don't remember where the song was from, but yeah, the sprites I made.
Oh, really?
Daft Punk is
It's not that cool.
Oh.
That's
Ah.
Okay. Okay.
I feel bad now. I don't want to. I don't want to defeat that punk.
That's right, they are.
Nobody wins against that punk.
It's not so good. I don't even need to listen to the song.
Yeah, I like him a lot too.
Favorite song?
Technologic.
Live from Dylan.
Yeah.
I like a lot of stuff off the newer album with Pharrell.
Yeah,
That was such a great collaboration.
it was. They were really dynamic, definitely. I just have a soft spot for him.
I don't think I have a favorite song of theirs. I do like the band and I've heard a lot of their stuff, but I don't think I have a favorite of theirs.
Longer, better, faster, stronger.
Yeah.
That anime that went with it. Yeah, that anime that went with it was pretty dope.
Yeah, man. Dylan 5555.
And then Kanye West came in and all.
I'm trying.
So much people.
Oh, it made it. That was actually one song of Kanye's I actually enjoyed.
I enjoyed it because he sampled the. Other than that,
Ooh, look, they got scrolling credits.
Oh.
fancy.
Have a bunch of programmers, you get some fancy stuff. Or when you only have one artist, you get sprites. It's like,
Well, that was really good. So did anything else come out of this, or was this?
no, I mean, we've kept in touch and
How much you get much?
always get messages when a new game gets see where it comes at and we'll get together again.
Okay.
I also feel it's important for the game jam to meet new people.
Oh,
I don't like
gotcha.
that people come here with
Match.
matches already. It's kind of defeats the purpose.
Okay, cool, cool.
Awesome.
Well, man, thank you so much, man. That was really good.
So much.
Love rhythm games.
Yeah. So was it fun? Did you have fun?
It was
Very
Okay.
cool. It's very cool.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, John.
Jimmy, fetch me another.